What's up guys, it's Jack from stupidchannel.com and I'm going to show you a cool tutorial since you guys gave me about 150,000 views, and basically what I'm going to show you is how to connect to Xbox Live very simply with a coaxial cable. As you can see here, it's a coaxial cable. And we're going to come down here to where my Xbox is. As you can see here, my Xbox is right here, and we're gonna put this on top. Alright, and we're gonna untwist this if we can get it. There we go. So basically what you want to do is you grab your coaxial cable, you open the disc tray like that, and you want to stick it through the middle of your disc of Black Ops 2, and that is basically how you connect, and you close it. And as you can see here, I joined an Xbox Live party within no time as soon as I did that. So pretty great tutorial. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you for 150 million subscribers. See you guys later.